BathSelect curved stylish, sleek gold deck mount, bathtub faucet. Product code, BS9552. Retail price, $299, sale price, $209. BathSelect sleek design, deck installation bathtub faucet. It is a gold finish, in gold color. This dual-handle faucet comes with a commercial design, combines the look of a professional faucet. This model is made a perfect sink design. This faucet has been made with premium-grade lightweight, combining precision engineering with premium materials and components. We stand behind our products with the highest standards of quality. BathSelect Gold Bathtub Faucet Specifications. Type: Bathtub Faucet. Product code: BS9552. Product brand: BathSelect. Number of handles: dual. Installation mount: deck mount. Installation type: US standard. Fixed support: yes. Style: contemporary. Material: brass. Surface treatment: gold. Core material: ceramic. Main valve material: brass. Customize: yes. Finish: gold. Color: gold. Number of holes: 3. Hot and cold water: yes. Feature: single stand with 3-hole. Product dimension: 11.81 x 2.76 x 5.12 inches.